A slough is an area where a river or creek meets a larger body like a swamp that can be made up of a slough. A slough is pronounced slough and it is very similar to a swamp. The main difference between a slough and a swamp is that the water in a slough flows and the water in a swamp just sits there. A slough has two seasons, the wet season and the dry season. This means that during part of the year the slough is dry, usually around December, and the rest of the year it is filled with water, which starts around June. The water that fills the slough gets fresh water from rainwater. As the water moves along the slough, it takes in chemicals and pollutants out of the water like a filtering system. Also, a slough slows down the flow of the water so that it can take the sediments away from the water. Sloughs also help to stop floods.
A food web is a way of illustrating living things like the plants and animals that live in a slough. The simple form of a food web is a food chain.
All food chains begin with energy from the sun. Removing just one organism from the food web can ruin the entire balance of the ecosystem. A slough is a natural drainage way.
The ground elevations, types of soil, and water depths found in a slough at different times of the year.
Some plants that live in sloughs are iris, cypress, buttonbush, marsh, lily. Some animals that live in wetlands are frog, hawk, owl, heron.